Hey guys, it's Spaceplay12 or Mitch as you guys know me. Today's video, it's all about no regrets. I live my life, I try to live my life with the philosophy of don't have any regrets. I don't remember how long ago it was, but I heard somebody say it's almost called the rocking chair philosophy. I don't want to be in my rocking chair one day, 85 years old or however old I might be. And I don't want to look back and have any regrets. Like, I wish I had done this. I wish I had said this. And so, it's easier said than done. But, I was lying awake a couple of weeks ago, just contemplating my life. My daughter had just gotten a job, so it meant that I would see her less. And then just things started to race through my mind. Like, have I spent enough time with my daughter? Am I living life without any regrets? So it just got me thinking to everything that I've done in my life and just the moments that I can cherish and remember, and definitely times where I did not regret, choosing the action or the thing to say that I said or the place that I wanted to go. And obviously, you have to live that philosophy with a little bit of, intelligence and discernment, because obviously you can't always do what you want. That's not always God's plan. But it's just one of those things where I thought, when you live your life, I just don't want to get to a certain point and realize, hey, I didn't spend enough time with my daughter. I wish I had, spent less time on this particular thing and more time with family, because that's where I believe is just the important parts of life. When we're one day on your deathbed, I don't think anybody's going to say, I wish I worked more hours. It's always going to be, I wish I spent more time with my family. So that's just always in the back of my mind. So today, what I wanted to do in today's video is just share with you just a really huge, gigantic, collection of clips of things that I have put on this channel, but maybe it wasn't on this channel. It was just something that I remember being really awesome in my life. So I hope you enjoy it, and I definitely hope that you guys will live your lives, without any regrets, as far as, going places and, looking back one day and wishing you had said something to a loved one. So, and again, it's easier said than done, and I have to keep learning each day. You should have said this, you should have did this. But anyway, I hope you enjoy this compilation of just things that I consider super, special in my life. And hopefully you guys will live your life without any regrets, okay? I will see you in my next video.